Do you like to go to the Science Museum? What's your favorite part? My favorite part of the dinosaurs. The Discovery Museum in Sacramento, California charges adults $5 and charges children $4. We can use a verbal model to illustrate this situation. The cost per adult ticket multiplied by the number of adults plus the cost of a child's ticket multiplied by the number of children is equal to the total cost. One Saturday morning, actually, $500 was made at the museum. So our question is, how many adult tickets were sold and how many children's tickets were sold? So let's write our algebraic model. 5x plus 4y is equal to 500, where x is equal to the number of adult tickets sold and y is equal to the number of children's tickets sold. We can actually make a graph using our intercepts to find out the solution to this equation. The intercepts, the x-intercept, is the x-coordinate of the point where the graph crosses the x-axis. All we have to do is let y equal 0 and solve for x. So 5x plus 4 times 0 is equal to 500. That is, 5x is equal to 500. And when we divide by 5, we see that the x-intercept is 100. So we want to plot the point 100, 0. Next, to find the y-intercept, we do virtually the same thing. The y-intercept is the y-coordinate of the point where the graph crosses the y-axis. So we just let x equal 0. And again, we substitute this in our equation. 5 times 0 plus 4 times y is equal to 500. That is, 4y is equal to 500, and y is equal to 125. So our y-intercept is 125, and we plot the point 0, 125. And now we just draw our graph. Remember, we're just going to stay in the first quadrant because it doesn't make any sense to have negative number of adults or the negative number of children. Now, what exactly do those intercepts mean? Let's take a look at our graph. If we have 100 tickets sold for adults, that means that all $500, because 5 times 100 would equal $500, there would be no children's tickets sold. On the other hand, the y-intercept, 125, illustrates that only children's tickets were sold and no adult tickets, because 125 times 4 is equal to $500. As a matter of fact, there are any number of points on this line that would satisfy this condition. We could actually use the point 60, 50, because 5 times 60 plus 4 times 50 does in fact equal to $500. So, I hope you have a great time the next time you go to the Science Museum.